I heard Bitcoin in 2015, and then I have a good friend of mine, and he started talking about Bitcoin, and I started looking into it, and then I bought my first Bitcoin in Cash App. 24 going to 25, I started to look into mining. And then when I started looking into mining, I started looking at a lot of companies. And then your company came along. And by seeing Abundant Mind, it changed my strategy, saying, hey, I don't need to be buying Bitcoin in exchange. So let me mine. If I own 20 houses to rent, guess what? I got 20 machines. So I don't have to deal with the people. I don't have to deal with nobody. I don't have to fix nothing. I look at a lot of companies, and the difference between Abundant Minds and the other company is I don't have to deal with no third party. I'm dealing directly with Abundant Mind. I'm dealing directly with the guys, the team that is going to help you, is going to make you understand what you're doing. So ever since I educate myself and doing all my research, that's when I pulled the trigger because I didn't want to waste any time. For me, it's been a blessing by doing that because I don't have to worry about going to an exchange and buy Bitcoin. I get it in the machine 24/7, discount rate, and I don't have to worry about it. The only thing I need to do is keep investing. For me, if I try to do it in my house, I gotta spend money, electricity, I gotta do so many things. What for? If I have a company that does everything for me. But dealing with Cindy and with Parker has been a blessing. Those guys, they care about their clients. You know, they wanna make sure you understand before you put your money in buying the equipment. It starts with you. When you have a good leader that leads his team, that's what counts. Being here on the site, meeting with you, meeting with the rest, with Joe, meeting with Todd, and with all the team, I love it. I love it because you're meeting good people, people that care, people that want to help you. I did all my research, I compare, and to be honest, for me, Abundant Mind has been the best choice of this career. You will be in good hands. This is forever, man. You know, by doing long term, I'm going to secure my family and the next generation. When you're in a place that you feel good, that's what Abundant Mind made me feel. And I felt comfortable. Call Abundant Mind and ask them questions. Do your research. This company cares about people like me, people like you. And trust me, you're not gonna regret it. You will be in good hands.